we can move up.
Alright, what are we doing? So, you're a good plow, right? Yeah.
Sorry.
Alright,
I really don't have the range for that guy. To be dead honest. Take a couple pot shots at him. Get something lucky.
That's good. Stick your head out. No, come on, buddy.
Okay. He's gonna get cocky and point his head out. Give him a minute. Give him a minute.
We're back cover fire. Right where that behind that tree went. You and me, we're gonna move up to right there. Okay. You can right side.
I won't bump you.
Ready?
A little more.
You on me? What? You on me?
A little bit more.
Ready?
A little bit more. Hey, guy on your left. Guy on your left. Oh shit! That tank is turned this way. That's me.
Hit the tree.
You hit the tree.
We should probably move out.
Man, where's the other guy on my left? I really don't have the range of this gun. I see him. He's still behind that tree. Still behind that narrow. I don't even know what tree that is.
It's weird. They're firing the main cannon.
Wow.
The tank's aimed at us, man. How many years?
You can keep moving. Keep moving. I got your eyes. I got your eyes. Keep going. Damn, get down. Get down. Get down.
Down. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking move. This shit right at it. Look at that thing.
I mean, like hell, they're dug in. Ah, reloading. Didn't take long. Call your fucking hits, goddammit. Someone help me out here? Damn it, I'm out. Shit. I can't fucking move. Mag full. What, you're gonna... Well, that's fortunate. We got that guy. I want my mag, fortunately. I would really appreciate it if we moved. Oh shit! Fucking over here. Oh shit! Bro, this is not a good spot. This is not a good spot.
I think we should move up those two trees right there.
Which two?
Wait. See the closest to us right there?
We got guys flanking us on the left.
That guy right there, right?
No, this side, the whole camo, all the tan, just move to the left. They got like 4 guys flanking us.
Yeah, is that right?
Holy freaking moly, watch your 6. Back there, they're flanking us. I freaking told you guys that.
Get fucking cover, get fucking cover.
Sitting on top of that dirt mound.
I'm just trying to kill him off.
Go, go, go.
Here's how it's gonna go.
Okay.
I'm going first. You're in the last. You're in the back. Oh, okay. It's you, then you, or no, you, him, and then him, alright?
When do you want us to move?
Wait, huh?
When do you want us to move?
I said when I give you the signal.
Okay. Move up to there.
Tell him to keep eyes on him. Take him down, dude.
Take anything that moves up.
Whoops, sorry, that was my bad. Jammed. Okay, got him down. He's down. He's down.
Where are we taking fire from?
ACP or APC.
APC, dude.
APC.
What is he freaking saying?
I don't know.
Give him a grenade.
Hey, give him a grenade. You keep one grenade.
Let's do a fake grenade.
Give him one.
Alright, wait, this thing explodes.
No, it doesn't explode. You just toss it in there. It doesn't have any gas in it. You just toss it. Come on, we gotta move now. Let's go. Hey, guys. Reloading, 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 reloading. Stay down, Nick. Stay down, Nick. Well, that plan didn't work. A bird's eye view of here. What the heck? Get off. Get off my camera. Is there anything on the camera?
Do we have a...
Is there anything on the camera? Hey, they're behind the... Yeah, shoot them. What the hell? That's not here. Reloading.
Oh,
Reloaded.
dude, my thing went through this.
He went through it? The fuck? Hey, he's moving up.
All right, or your left.
Get down, get down. You hit?
No.
Good.